Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the JDK is installed and Java Home points to it. This avoids runtime errors. Next, install Visual Studio Code and add the extension pack for Java so you get language support, debugger, and Maven/Gradle tools. Open your project folder, create a SRC directory, and initialize a simple class. This immediately lets the extensions detect the project. Once done, make sure the project builds in the problem's pane. That confirms the environment is wired up. You now configure the build and editor. Pick Maven or Gradle, or use the Java projects view to manage dependencies. This controls compilation and packaging. Create launch. JSON to define run and debug configurations and adjust settings. JSON for formatter and import ordering so team style stays consistent. While coding, rely on IntelliSense and code actions to add imports or refactor. These tools speed up changes and reduce mistakes. Make sure to run unit tests from the Test Explorer to validate behavior before moving on. You run and debug by using the Run view. Set breakpoints, start the debugger, step through code, and inspect variables to find logic faults. When something fails, check the problem's output and terminal panels. They tell you whether it's a compile error, dependency issue, or runtime exception. If the IDE behaves oddly, clear the workspace cache, reload the window, or re-import the project. These steps often fix indexing and extension glitches. Finally, if a specific error remains, reproduce it with a minimal example to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.